So in this experiment, I'll be sharing my reaction and insights about our root locus analysis lab experiment. So for a quick run through of what I did, these are the codes I plotted on the different examples on the lab manual. So in this experiment, I analyzed a closed loop control system and studied how the controller gain K or K affects the system stability. So I started by working with the transfer function and characteristic equation that evaluated the magnitude and angle of G of S, H of S at different points in the S plane to compute K. So after doing the manual calculations, I move on to MATLAB to visualize the system and I also use this code to generate the root locus plot of 2 over s minus 10. 2 over s minus 10. Yeah. So this helped me clearly see how the poles move as the gain changes. So I also used rlock find code to verify the values of k and plotted the step responses for k is equals to 4 and k is equals to 6 to compare the system behavior. So as for the output, I observed that the system stability depends on the pole location. When k is equals to 4, the pole was on the right hand side, so the system was showing a unstable and the response kept increasing. So but when k is equals to 6, the pole moved to the left hand side, making the system stable and the response is settled. So the root locus plot made it easier to visualize these changes. So for the challenges, understanding the angle criterion was honestly the hardest part. So the idea that points must satisfy the positive or negative 180-degree condition to lie on the root locus was confusing at first. So also for solving for the magnitude, angle, and k manually was time consuming, especially with complex numbers. So in MATLAB, using the code rlockfind was a bit tricky since selecting the exact point affects the accuracy of k. So for notes to myself, I should always double check of the angle computations because small mistakes can lead to wrong conclusions. So I also need more practice interpreting the root locus plots since they are very important in control systems. And while MATLAB is very helpful, I should not rely on it completely, and I need to fully understand the theory behind it. So overall, this experiment helped me better understand how root locus works and how it is used to design stable control systems. So that's all from my reaction video, and thank you.